Guys, for web page editing, first you have to come to any website because this works on every website that you visit. So you have to select the text on the website. So for example, here you can see I am having 159 subscribers. So if I want to make it 1.5 million subscribers, for example, so I have to select the text here on my YouTube channel or the website. Basically, this is the website here. To right click on my text and click on inspect, or you can just press Ctrl Shift I. So here you can see the inspect or the coding of the web page kind of will open on your right side, towards your right side. So here you will be able to see that there is some text selected. So right here you can see 159 subscribers. So this is a text that is being displayed on my web page, because if I select it here, you can see this is also select. So for example, if I want to make this into, I said 1.5 million. So I will rewrite it as 1.5 million, and then you just have to click on the web page back again. Here you can see it becomes into 1.5 million subscribers. So basically I've edited the web page. Now if you want to hide it, you can just click on the cross. Basically it's hidden. So if anyone comes now on your device to this web page, and here you can see it's 1.5 million subscribers. But guys, if you close this web page or if you refresh it, this will go, because it's a temporary hack or temporary kind of fun thing.